driving in the sun, looking out for #1. California, here we come, right back where we started from. The buses grab your guns, your shadow weighs a ton, driving down the 101. California, here we come, right back where we started from. California. Nothing's gonna stop me now. California, here we come.
Well, guys, I tell you what, it's pretty tricky compared to some of those the other road courses we ran this year. This thing's really flat. Not a lot of braking markers where you can gauge your stopping distance, and so it's going to make for a lot of probably a lot of accidents. Hopefully, we don't tear up too much stuff today, and hopefully, we don't have a lot of cautions because there's going to be a lot of people going off the track today.
Probably see me fall back for a little bit. I'm going to conserve the tires, conserve the car, just be patient, and let some of these guys take themselves out of the race. I mean, I think that's a real good plan tonight, and they're already doing it in practice. You know, they're crashing left and right out there in practice. That's kind of my goal. As soon as that helmet goes on, things can change. Yeah, I think we're just going to play conservative and be there at the end. Maybe put some pit strategy in there and let my lucky dog here is going to help me out.
California, California, here we come. California, California, here we come.
You know, it's tough. We don't get a lot of time, and you know, a couple other guys came here and tested, which we didn't. We went up to Monroe, Washington, and tested up there a little bit. So you know, I didn't miss too much. A lot of tires popping. That's the biggest issue right now is tires blowing. We just wrecked our brand new car doing it. So gotta go to the backup and just survive in the race and see what it gets us. Now you know we're running on Phoenix tires. You know, real hard tire, and you know they're all around the whole car, so it's hard to control one. And people are flat spotting them in the tight turns and get on the brakes real hard, and then going up on the big track and just tires going down or just driving right in the wall. It's kind of a bad deal, but you know, Nascar, they're doing their job to try to help us out as much as they can.
Well, we already know that the Lucas Oil sponsorship is going away for us. They're going to be involved in the series with someone else. Right now, we're going to have to start doing our homework and putting proposals together, going out and talking to different people, and hopefully put something together. You know, with as much success as we've had in the series, hopefully we can get somebody interested in what we're doing and want to be part of a first-class team.
The super speedway is what you're going to gain on everybody, but on the tight right-handers where you're locking up the right front tire, that's where everybody's kind of abusing their tires and having the crashes out, which you've seen 3 or 4 guys destroy a car. And not really sure, we're probably about 150, but the leaders, I guess they're about 165 or 170.
That's good.
Now, hopefully we'll pick up a little bit by qualifying. If we keep the car in one piece, I'm looking for a top 5, top 10. We haven't really had more than 2 laps without a caution out there, so I think coming to an end will be good.